Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to invite friends on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First, click on these three lines here, and here you'll find it, invite friends, click on it, and here you can invite any friend you want, and that's it. Here you can also share your Telegram link, and that's it for today. That's how to invite friends on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.